Good afternoon, students. Today we will start once again the polynomial. We have all the definitions of polynomial at your level, that combinations of variables, literals, constants, and science of mathematics, all other things. But here we will take this definition as a whole at your level, because this is class 9, not the primary classes. So we will discuss this definition also, that this is just look, this is a naught, read as a naught, yeah, or a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 dot, you can say a3x power 3 plus a4x power 4 plus dot dot dot. This is a n x power n is any number, you can take a 100 x power 100, if 1 lakh x power 1 lakh, whatever you can take. And most important thing is here that this an, this a0, a1, a2 and all the an means all the a's, like a5, a6, all the a's are nothing but only the constant. These are the numbers, and the variable is clearly shown here, x. What? X. So in our syllabus we are discussing with only one variable, one variable. So we will discuss only with polynomial with the only one variable. So here we have taken x as a variable. So once again the definition is what? A naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 an x power n is known as polynomial, where an is not equal to 0, n is whole number. This is very important thing, that n is what? This is power, means here this is 1, no power is written, means you can write 1. And yesterday we have discussed x power 0 is equal to 1. So here we can write a naught x power 0 plus a1 x power 1 plus and so on. So this is x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3 dot dot dot, you can take x power n. So important thing is that the power will be always whole number. Whole number means the power can start from 0 and can anything, but that is whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. No negative power can attain, no fraction power can attain. So I think you have clear. We can take some example also. The first example is x plus 2. You can see there is only one variable x, 2 is constant. This 2 is can be written as x power 0. So because x power 0 is equal to 1, 2 1 ja 1, no change in the whole value. So x plus 2 x power 0, here variable is x, constant is 2. Again this is polynomial. Why? Because check the power, here power is 1, here power is 1. So here power is 0 and here power is 1, both power is whole number, so it is polynomial. The second example, here again there is only one variable and the power is 2, 2 is whole number, so this is polynomial. Again here the number is x plus 1 upon x. Very important thing, this can be written as x plus, this is power 1, this, when this will be in numerator, this will be as power minus 1. Now here power is 1, okay good, but here power is negative and it is not a whole number, minus 1 is not a whole number, so this will not be a polynomial. Again here under root 2x plus 5, there is only one variable, coefficient of x is under root 2, we have already discussed yesterday. Coefficient means numerical multiple of a variable, so under root 2 is multiplied in x, so under root 2 is coefficient, x is variable, power of x is 1. Here there is no variable, so we can write x power 0. So here variable is x, coefficient is 5 and power is 0. Both 0 and 1 are whole number, so it is a polynomial. Here variable is only x, here power is 2. Under root x can be easily written as x power 1 by 2 plus x square. Here power is whole number, but here power is fraction, so this is not a polynomial. Again, this is y plus z plus x square, one variable, 2 and 3. All three are different variable. This is also a polynomial because power is 1 and 2 whole number, but this is of 3 variable which is not in our syllabus. We will discuss it at higher level. It is polynomial, but not in our syllabus because there is 3 variable. Like that there is 2 variable. This is also polynomial, but we will leave it. Right, I hope that you have understand the concept of polynomial. What the key point you should care about, the power should be whole number and no matter what is the coefficient. Here coefficient is in under root 2, no matter, don't take any doubt, only you have to check the power of variable. So after this topic we will move on degree of polynomials. Before that we will take a look on terms. What is terms? Term means the number or numerical figure, you can say, separated by plus or minus in the polynomial are known as terms. Simply just look in this example, x plus 2, all the numerical figure which is separated by plus sign, there is only one plus sign, so there is two part, this part and this part. So these two are terms, means x and 2 are terms. Why? Because they are separated by plus sign. Here 5x square plus x plus 1, there is 2 plus, means this is separation of 5x square and x and 1. So one term, two term and three term. So 5x square, x and 1 are three terms. You cannot say 5 is term, 5 is coefficient of x square, but the separation by plus or minus, then you can say the terms. So degree, after this topic, degree. What is the degree of polynomial? Very important thing, so important thing to discuss. Degree of polynomial means you have already discussed the terms in the polynomial. Now how many terms, no matter, but you know very well that in your syllabus there is only one variable, so you will check that in which term the variable has higher number of power, means highest power of variable in polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Suppose the example is this 2x square plus 5. So what is degree of this? Here variable is x, so power is 2, there is no x. Here you can write or leave it x power 0. How many term? First check the term. There is 2 term because there is only plus sign, one plus sign, so 1 term and 2 term. So here power is 0, here power is 2, so the highest is 2, so the degree will be 2. Again this is not polynomial, we will not discuss. Here power is 0, in second term power is 1, means highest is what? 1, so degree is equal to 1. Again here you can say there is 3 term, 1, 2 and 3 term, so you can say here power is 1, there is no x, leave it, you can write x power 0, no matter, because this is 0 already, lesser to 1, so this is 1 and power of this term is 2, so what is highest? This 2, so the degree will be 2. Right, so this is the thing that we have to discuss.